Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some more Pokemon cards. Today we're doing evolutions. I want to give a big shout out to Pokehan. He gave me a message he liked and gave me a view, and I think he subscribed. Go check out his channel. Please subscribe, give him a like, do comments. And I have 5 packs. I have a Venusaur pack, a Raichu pack, another Raichu pack, a Blastoise pack, Evolutions pack. I all got them from this place called Heroes and Fantasies. And let's get started. And please leave a like, and I'm gonna leave all the codes to the end, so let's get in it. Charizard Spirit Link. Cool. Kakuna, Full Heal, Fantru, Weedle, Tingala, Ponyta, Doduo, Reverse Diglett, and that's a Hollow Mew. Potion, Maintenance, Staryu, Seal, you hear my parents, Charmander, Magnemite, Energy, Machoke, Staryu, and Reverse Magmar. It's not looking really too good. And guys, I'm saving all the codes at the end, and I'll do like that. If I pull on the EXs, I'll show you them at the end. Energy Retrieval, Nidorino, Double Colorless Energy, Rattata, Vulpix, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Reverse Energy, and a Mega Slowbro EX. I'm not really too excited for that because I already have it. So, not really excited. Pidgeot Spirit Link, Blastoise Spirit Link, Switch, Doduo, Staryu, Onix, Fairy Energy, Voltorb, Reverse Beetle, and a regular rare Dugtrio. So I don't really like these packs right now. Looks like we don't have anything good. We have a Mega Slowbro EX. Hunter, Energy Retrieval, Kakuna, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pikachu, Machop, Weedle, Reverse Growlithe, and Farfetch. Slowbro won't need him. It's the only good thing I got. So please leave a comment and subscribe and like and bye.